And I think one of the things that I took away, I think we talked about this at the end of last year, is whether or not we could hit 9,000 on the FTSE. We got pretty close, but we haven't quite got there yet. And I think obviously April had a large part to play in that.
Hmm.
Because I think if April hadn't happened, I think we probably would have got there. I think the bigger question now, given what's happening, not only in the US with the big beautiful bill, I hate that term. I mean,
Well,
honestly, really?
I hate it as well, but thankfully the Senate parliamentarian has decided that that can't actually be the official name of the bill. So there is
Well,
some
good for him.
some rationality left in the world.
Yeah, indeed. And obviously the political and the fiscal situation here in the UK. Can we hit it can we hit 9,000 in the second half of the year? I would suggest that we probably can. Momentum is still in our favour, but I think in those contexts, I think it's important to look at what's done well,
Yeah,
the
I
good.
was also just going to say I agree with your call for 9,000, although I fear neither of us are really putting our neck on the line with that one because we're about 2% away from it at the time of recording.
Yeah, I
So
think when I
if
made
we
the
don't
original
break
call
it,
that
I think,
yeah, when I made the original call though, we were well away from it.
oh,
So,
absolutely. You
you
were
know,
a bit braver with that one than with this one.
yeah, but I mean it's still my target, and a target is a target. Whether we got to
Yeah,
8,900, we were below 8,400 at the time I made that call, and I think we were around about 8,000. So it's still a
yeah.
sizable move,
Oh, no,
and
absolutely.
and I'm actually surprised that we didn't make it. But looking at what's done well, when you sent me that list through,
Mm.
I was struck by the fact that there was very much a common theme there. Well, not surprising when gold is up at record highs and silver now appears to have got a threshold, a floor above $30. I mean, I can remember when silver was trading at $50 about 13 years ago,
Mm.
and everyone was talking about it going to the moon, and it went all the way down to $20. Silver's still got quite a way to go to play catch up, but nonetheless, it's done really well.